Mess around!
Hello everyone, welcome to Mess Around TV, and we are super excited today, aren't we girls, because we are hosting our Messy Poppins event. We absolutely love Mary Poppins, and when the movie came out a couple of years ago, we were very excited to see it, weren't we?
Yes.
Yes.
And it was the best movie.
It was the best movie. So, introducing myself, I am Messy Poppins, and with me today is Bronwyn Poppins and Heidi Poppins. Yay! We have some fantastic activities lined up for you. We have Bert Sidewalk Chalk, which is really good fun. We have a spoonful of sugar glitter. Yes, the girls are desperate to eat that. We have cherry tree Play-Doh, gloopy penguins, and bubble foam with the big ducks. We also have some fantastic arts and crafts activities from the Mary Poppins penguins, circus tents, let's go fly a kite, bird feeders, and an umbrella card. So that's 5 activities for messy play and 5 activities for arts and crafts. And that's our mess around wave, isn't it, girls? Let's get started. Right. I am going to be showing you how to make sidewalk chalk. It's a really good, fun activity that you can do outdoors and means that the kids can paint all over the floor and the rain will wash it all away. So, this is a little example. Wow! This is our blue one, which is
Getting skinnier and skinnier.
yeah, which is currently melting away. But these are different types of sidewalk chalk you can do. There's 2 ways that you could make it. You can either make them in an icicle pop solvent, which is what I've used. And I'm going to show you how to make the sidewalk chalk. And then this means the children can hold on to something, grip, and then paint the concrete floor or your walls and make lovely colours. Or you can make it into a pot. And then it can be ready to paint straight away. So the girls are going to help me make it into the pot. So you're going to put yours in there, Heidi, a minute. Tip it back in. It's fine. Just tip it in, please. Brilliant. Okay. So we're going to have a blue one and pink. And I'm just going to pop some food dye in. If you don't have any food dye, you could use a bit of paint if you wanted to, but then obviously you'd have to water it down, but food dye does the trick. And then you've got pink one. Yours is going to be the pink one, Heidi.
Pink is good.
Pink is good fun. Right, and I'm going to drop a little bit of water in, and then Heidi is going to start mixing hers up into a paint consistency, and Bronwyn's going to mix hers, blue one. Ooh, put it on the table, put it on the table. Nice and messy. So this is corn flour. So all you need is corn flour and food dye to make this one. So let's have a look. How are you getting on? Mix, mix, mix. Right, hang on. We'll add a bit more water.
No, it's too hard.
All right, let's add a bit more water. So once you've mixed it into a consistency, if you want to make the popsicle frozen ones, pop them in the freezer, leave them overnight, get them out the next day on a sunny day, and it'll be brilliant making marks in the garden. And if you want to do straight painting, Bronwyn's done this one now, you can literally just, here you go, you see it all, it's nice and gloopy and it's blue. Pop in some paint brushes, sponges, anything that you want to make a mark with painting, and you're ready to go. So that's how you make the sidewalk chalk. It's taste safe as well, so you don't have to worry about that. And look at that, that looks like a really nice consistency there. Well done, Heidi, with your one. Right, the next one I'm going to show you how to make today is the spoonful of sugar makes the medicine go down. Medicine go down. So we've come across this fantastic recipe where you can make edible glitter. And the way you make it is with sugar. So I made this one yesterday. It's a lovely pink colour. And I've made a blue one, and the girls are going to help me, the popping girls are going to help me make some more today. So all you need is a couple of pots and some sugar, and you need some more food dye. So I'm going to give Bronwyn a blue one to make, and Heidi's going to have pink in her one, and then a spoon each That's all you need, a spoon. And then they mix the dye through the sugar. So you've got to mix and mix and mix it until it becomes the colour of choice. Once you've mixed it all through, heat the oven up just on about 100 degrees. Get a tray, put some silver paper down, sprinkle your sugar onto the tray, pop it in the oven for about 20 minutes until it starts to crystallise. And then once it crystallises, let it cool down and it's ready to be played. So let's have a quick look at this one. So Bronwyn's mixing this one through. Yeah, you've got to keep mixing. Takes a little mixing to come through. Oh, look at this, it's going blue already. And then you're ready to pop it in a tough tray, pop it in a little green tray, pop it in any tray really.
And eat it.
Well, yeah, the girls want to eat it. I wouldn't advise eating just sugar. Oh, look, see, it's got a lovely blue colour now, Bronwyn. Yours is nice and blue. Heidi, yours has got a lovely pink colour. And you're ready to play. And it's a great, again, another taste-safe activity, and children can get going and playing with this one at home outside as well. Wow. And they enjoy licking their fingers. So, other fantastic activities you could try out at home is the cherry tree Play-Doh. So this looks really cool. You need a nice strong colour like a red or, I used red Play-Doh for this one. And you can make your own Play-Doh and little cherries on and make cherry tree Play-Doh. You could also make a big gloopy duck bath. Yes, because we know the big duck goes down in the second movie. Fill up a big tray with lots of bubbles, make it really swishy, as much bubbles as you possibly can, and then dunk the duck in. And then you get playing with that, so that'll be good fun. You can also put your pink flamingo in if you've got one at home as well, so they're good fun. And finally, for the messy play activities, always a hit, gloop. And penguins, and we love penguins, girls, don't we? And we love gloops. So we're gonna dive this one in and we'll see if they get all gloopy. Now, this has been gloop is always a big hit at our sessions. Look at this. Ah,
The slime is big.
they're falling down. The penguins are falling down. Let's add some more water in.
Penguins are falling down.
So make your gloop, you just need corn flour and water. You can make it as thick as you like or watery as you like. Look, there we go, look. Oh, penguins getting all gloopy. So that's a really good fun, and we know that the penguins in Mary Poppins like to dance around, don't we? And play, don't they? Mm-hmm. They love that one. So those are 5 messy play activities for Mary Poppins, Messy Poppins at home that you can do. Excuse me, you're not supposed to, you're getting blue lips. She's getting blue lips and a blue tongue from eating a spoonful of sugar. Right, now we have some fantastic arts and crafts activities in our mess pack for the Messy Poppins mess pack. We have our own little messy penguin, so you can print him out, colour him in, paint him, decorate him, and you have fun with them at home. We have our own Messy Poppins little circus tent, so you can create your own circus at home. And you'll be able to print that off and make that one definitely at home. We've also got Let's Fly a Kite. So we made kites and they're really simple to make. We've used sticks for ours, but they're really simple, just paper, and you can make your own kite. And then the girls designed their own painted rocks. Oh man, this one's got pink lips now. We've got, this one's perfect in every way. Heidi drew the little girl, and then you draw your Mary Poppins, didn't you? And then we put on the text, and then we done a kite flying one. So these are acrylic pens, they're really easy to use. The girls absolutely love these, making their own rocks. And then you can also make your own little bird feeder so you can feed the pigeons. Isn't that right? Oh, this one's blue. Gonna be a Smurf. So really easy to make. This is bird seed with coconut oil. Oh, pink lips. And you can make these at home and then put a little hole through and put them out, and then the birds could get fed. So it's a great little idea. So If you loved the Messy Poppins activities today, you can get yourself involved by downloading a copy of our Messy Poppins Mess Pack, which will be available to purchase after this event. We hope we've given you lots of fantastic ideas that you could do at home, creating your own Messy Poppins. So before my children eat any more sugar today, we're going to say a big goodbye, aren't we now? And big mess around wave to everyone at home. And we'll see you soon. Bye for now.